Welcome to the technical education friends. We will see here some previous year and important questions which I sure it is important for your competitive exam for any electronics competitive exam. Okay, uh, just like ISRO, GATE, BARC and DRDO, etc. Okay, so if you can find this is useful for you, so you can share and like please. So our first question is the process of converting the analog signal sample into discrete form is called what? So from sampling to discrete means uh, in sample to discrete form it is called quantization process. So it is called quantization. So option C is correct. See the next question is the factor that cause क्वांटाइजेशन एरर इन डेल्टा मॉड्यूलेशन. दैट फैक्टर कौन सा वो फैक्टर है जो क्वांटाइजेशन एरर में कॉज मतलब कारण बनता है. दैट इज ऑप्शन डी मीन्स स्लोप ओवरलोड डिस्टॉर्शन एंड ऑल्सो ग्रेनुअल नॉइस इज बोथ आर द कॉजेज ऑफ एरर इन डेल्टा मॉड्यूलेशन. ओके, so next one is this is more question this is one more question is in DPCM technique. DPCM technique is this is asking DPCM technique what to convert in analog signal into digital signal where difference between successive sample of the analog signal are encoded into n-bit data streams where digital codes are the quantized value of the predicted value or D all of the above. So if you find that all the are option are defining the DPCM technique, okay, this so option D is correct. Okay, so next is asking about DPCM modulation technique. The decoding is performed by at the receiver side. The in the DPCM modulation, the decoding is performed by accumulator. Okay, option A is correct. Next one is from PCM system. In PCM, the bit rate is option A n time the sampling frequency, B n time the modulating frequency, C n time the Nyquist criteria, D none of the above. So for bit rate, if you see the formula is bit rate is equal to n into fs. Fs is sampling frequency. Okay, so from this formula you can find that option A is correct. Okay, option A is correct. Okay, next one is the type of signal transmission in which no power is wasted on the carrier is known as means कोई भी पावर वेस्ट नहीं होता इन कैरियर को ट्रांसमिट करने के लिए. विच सिस्टम? एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन, फ्रीक्वेंसी मॉड्यूलेशन, साइड बैंड सप्रेस्ड कैरियर और अनसप्रेस्ड कैरियर. ओके, सो फ्रॉम इफ यू सी दैट एम्पलीट्यूड मॉड्यूलेशन इज what we can transmit the lower side band also, upper side band also and carrier also. Okay, so the most power wasting signal is amplitude modulation, but here it is in question is asking that no power is wasted. So from here that option is C is correct. Okay, option C is correct. Okay, means sideband suppressed carrier signal is no power wasting. So next one is what is used to generate a DSB signal. For DSB signal, balance modulator, carrier suppressor, anti modulator, sideband suppressor. I don't know that if you see in your diploma or graduation lectures, this is the roughly figure of balance modulator. So here is AM modulator. Okay, both are same. Okay, AM modulators are both are same. So this is what balance modulator. This is a this is what for what this is for DSB signal generation. So option A is correct. This is a simply roughly figure. If you want that how to generate the DSB signal, I will just make a video on it. Okay. Next one is, which of the following modulation is used for video modulation? Okay, this is VSB. VSB means vestigial sideband. Okay, VSB is used for video modulation. Okay, so option C is correct. Next one is, a modulation index of 0.5 would be same. A 0.5 of modulation depth, 1 by 2 of modulation depth, 5% of modulation depth, 50% of modulation depth. Okay, if you see in communication system that one okay, sorry for this. Okay, one is for 100%, means what, modulation index is 1 represented by 100%. Okay, so so for 0.5, if you see in question, for 0.5 it is 50%. Okay, so it is option number D is correct option. Okay, next is this is a numerical based question. An AM broadcast station transmit modulating frequency up to 6 kilohertz. If the AM station is transmitting on a frequency of 894 kilohertz, the value of maximum and minimum upper and lower sidebands, the total bandwidth occupied. So here it is saying that एक modulating frequency means FM is given. Okay, FM is given what, 6 kilohertz. Okay, and FC is also given. FC is given how much, 894 kilohertz. Okay, he is asking for upper and lower sideband. If you see in AM system, there is 2 sidebands. Okay, FC plus FM, sorry, two sidebands. FC plus FM is upper sideband, FC minus FM is lower sideband. From here, if you see, it is 6 plus 894 is 900 kilohertz. Okay, FC minus FM is what, 888 kilohertz. Okay, for bandwidth, if we talk about bandwidth for AM system, it is bandwidth is 2 FM. Okay, for bandwidth is 2 FM, so it is FM what, 6 kilohertz, means 12 kilohertz is bandwidth. So from all this information, it is option A is correct. Definitely A is correct. Okay, so these are the basics question. Okay, in next one is, in dash, the frequency of carrier signal is varied based on the information in a digital signal. So these are the usually techniques. Okay, in digital signal, ASK, PSK, FSK. So we can talk about later for this. In from here, it is ASK is correct option, or sorry, it is FSK is correct option, because frequency is varying according to information signal. It is FSK, means frequency shift keying technique. Okay, so option C is correct. Okay, this is based on previous one. In the amplitude of carrier signal is varied based on the information, means amplitude vary करेगा based on the information signal के हिसाब से. तो it is ASK is correct option. In ASK generally amplitude is varying according to information. In PSK I will show it. In PSK it is what varying it is varying in carrier, sorry, it is phase of the carrier signal is varied according to the information. Okay, next one is, in if the beat rate is 1200 bps and there are 4 beats for each single element, then the baud rate, it is asking what baud rate. Okay, baud rate, what baud rate is equal to, baud rate is equal to 1200 divided by 404 bits. Okay, 4 hits, so it is 300. So according to this, option D is correct. Okay, so next one is the modulation technique most affected by noise. So it is a very basic question, that ASK is most affected by noise, then ASK is most affected by noise, then FSK, then PSK. Okay, so these are the very basic questions of communication system. Okay, so if you find it useful, then please like and subscribe it. Thank you.